Hello, how you doing? Look, today we're going to make this really simple egg and tomato, fantastic for breakfast. Really simple, not going to keep you long. So I'm going to start off in my pan with some olive oil. Change that oil if you want. Okay, half a cup of onion that I've cut really small. To that we're going to add about 2 teaspoons of chopped garlic. Now we're on an above medium heat. We're going to let that go, spinning that around for just like 2 to 3 minutes. Very simply, we're now going to add some salt and some black pepper. And to that, I'm also going to add 2 teaspoons of cumin powder. If you want, you could put a little bit of chili powder in here if you want a little bit more spicy. I'm just going to go with the 2 cumin today. And to that, we're going to add 3 cups of tomatoes, fresh tomatoes, cut nice and small. Try and use a nice fresh, juicy, ripe tomato because we want them to break down. We're going to cook this for about 4 to 5 minutes, stirring fairly often. Like I say, trying to get this kind of a little bit more mashed up, you know. As you can see, they're breaking down beautifully. Very simply, we're now going to add 4 beaten eggs. Again, the ratio of egg to tomato is entirely up to you. And then I like my eggs really kind of fairly well cooked. So we're going to go for about 4 minutes here, stirring away. Very simple. This is delicious. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well, and I'll see you soon. Lots of love. If you like what you've seen so far, please do give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment or subscribe. It really does help the channel out a great deal. I'll see you.